Environmental Health Impact Assessment, MQB7034, Environmental Health. Part 5, Environmental Assessment. Environmental assessment is a systematic process aimed at evaluating the environmental consequence of proposed policy, plan, program, or projects. It ensures that the potential environmental impact are considered and addressed before implementation. Types of environmental assessment. Environmental vulnerability assessment for climate change, natural hazard, or disaster. Post-crisis environmental assessment. Environmental valuation assessment. Environmental impact assessment. Strategic environmental assessment. Environmental vulnerability assessment for climate change, natural hazard, or disaster are characterized by identifying exposure and analyze the sensitivity of a system to the negative effect resulting from predicted climate change, natural hazard, or disaster. It assesses the adaptive capacity, identify potential threats to the environment and people from combination of economic, social, and environmental factors. Factors in the decision making includes develop, evaluate, and implement climate change, natural hazard, and disaster risk reduction options. Post-crisis environmental assessment is characterized by identify acute environmental risks caused by conflict, disaster, and industrial accident. It assesses the environmental impact of crisis on human health, livelihood, and security. Factors in decision-making includes support of emergency response operation and develop post-conflict action. Environmental valuation assessment is characterized by estimate the worth of the environment asset in monetary terms, quantify the impact of economy on the environment and contribution of the environment to the economy. The factors in decision-making include provide information for planning and inform policies decision. Environmental impact assessment is characterized by the determinant of the potential impact of the project to the environment, including to a limited extent economic and socio-economic impact. The factors in decision-making include provide information to minimize, mitigate, or eliminate adverse impact arising from the project. Strategic environmental assessment characteristic by assess the integration of environmental consideration into policy, plans, and programs. Factors in decision-making includes provides information on the likelihood of environmental impact of the project and programs to the policy processes.